Okay, let's see how to fix physical memory dump error blue screen on Windows 11. So first you need to go to search bar, search for memory, tap on Windows Memory Management Diagnostic, tap on restart now and check for problems. Once it is restart, try to check if it is working or not. And then after you have to shut down your laptop and remove your RAM cards. Just clean that RAM cards. Then after try to reset it and find if it is fixed or not. If not, you can go to further steps. So go to search bar again, type CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type chkdsk /f/r. Hit enter. This will fix the disk related issues. And if you are using outdated drivers, you have to update that for latest version. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. As an example, go to display adapters, select your driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. So do the same thing for outdated all drivers. Once it is done, you can restart your computer. Again you need to open command prompt. In this time you need to type SFC /scan now, like this. Hit enter to fix the corrupted system files. After it is completed, you have to type DISM online cleanup image restore help. Make sure to capitalize the each keyword first letter as like this, and DISM should be all capitals. Hit enter and try to check it is working or not. And again you need to disable fast startup. To do that, go to search bar and type control panel, tap on it, select the view by as a large icon and go to power options. Tap on choose what the power buttons do. Tap on change settings that are currently unavailable. Untick the turn on fast startup option. Tap on save changes. Then after you can uninstall recently installed software or updates. As an example, I am going to show you how to uninstall recent update. Go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, go to Windows update option. Tap on update history. Scroll down, tap on uninstall updates. These are the updates currently installed on your computer related to Windows. Select the latest update and tap on uninstall option if it is available here. Then restart your computer. And you can configure memory dump setting. Right click on this PC, go to properties, tap on advanced system setting option. Under the startup and recovery option, tap on setting. Ensure write debugging information is set to the automatic memory dump like this, or you can use kernel memory dump. If it is not, you have to change it to either automatic memory dump or kernel memory dump. Once it is done, you can tap on OK. Again you need to go to search bar and search for run. Tap on it, type msconfig like this, tap on OK. Go to services tab, tick the hide all Microsoft services option like this, tap on OK. Then after again go to startup tab, tap on open task manager. In the status section, make sure to disable all the enabled files. Tap on disable for each one. Once it is done, close this one and close this one. If none of these methods are not working, go to start menu and setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to the recovery option. Tap on reset this PC. You can choose either keep files or remove everything. Then after it will reset your computer into the factory default mode. So these are the methods you can try to fix your physical dump error blue screen with Windows 11. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.